How to check shipping options and delivery time in Macy's. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to Macy's checkout page. Here you'll find delivery address at the top. Simply add all your information, which is your first name, last name, your address line, zip code, state, and city. After you've done that, add your phone number. After you've added your phone number, press on Save and Continue at the bottom. After you click on Save and Continue at the bottom, simply scroll down at the bottom. Here, 4 delivery options. Get next day delivery and it costs $15 for eligible items. Other delivery are standard delivery, 2 to 3 days business day, and 1 to 2 business days. For standard delivery, it's free business days, $10, and for 1 to 3 more. And after that, you can add your payment method at the bottom and place order. This is how to check shipping options and delivery time in Macy's. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.